This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need the essentials now: Node, JS/LTS, a package manager, and a code editor. First, run npx create React app myapp or yarn create React app myapp to scaffold quickly. This gives you Webpack, Babel, and a dev server out of the box. Once done, open the project in your editor, initialize Git, and inspect src and public. Make sure to create a components folder and one sample component, because wiring a small component early reveals how props and state flow. Now implement the middle. Decompose UI into function components and decide data flow. Use props down and callbacks up, and adopt hooks like useState and useEffect for local state and side effects. Use Reducer or Context API for shared state. Add React Router for navigation and create routes and lazy loaded chunks. For APIs, fetch or Axios with proper error and loading handling. Once you cache responses, you reduce requests and improve UX. Also write unit tests for key components as you build. To finish, optimize and prepare for production. Analyze bundle size, add code splitting and lazy loading, and remove dead code. Then set environment variables and choose a host like Netlify or Versal. Configure continuous deploy from your Git branch. After deployment, verify routes, service worker behavior, and HTTPS. If things go wrong, check the console and network tab first. Common causes are CORS, API keys, or mismatched React versions. Fix those, rebuild, and redeploy to confirm the issue is resolved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.